Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove hyperlink in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take a paragraph, and this paragraph included a hyperlink. Press Ctrl and click this hyperlink to check the link, then click yes. Now we can see this hyperlink connected to our image. Now we want to remove this hyperlink. Select the hyperlink text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Then select the link option. Then here many option. Then select the remove link. Now we can see here not available the link. We remove this hyperlink very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.